Welcome to our video on PyMuPDF4LLM, the ultimate tool for extracting data from PDFs. In this video, we'll explore the features and benefits of PyMuPDF4LLM and show you how to use it for various data extraction tasks. We've all been there, trying to extract data from a PDF document, only to find that the text is garbled, images are low quality, and tables are missing. But what if I told you there's a tool that can solve all these problems? PyMuPDF4LLM is a powerful tool that can extract data from PDFs with ease. It's flexible, fast, and can handle a wide range of data extraction tasks. Let's take a look at some real-life examples of how PyMuPDF4LLM can be used. From basic text extraction to more complex tasks like chunking, table extraction, and image extraction, PyMuPDF4LLM has got you covered. In this example, we're going to extract text from a PDF document using the library. First, we'll start by installing the PyMuPDF4LLM package using pip. Simply open your command line and run the command pip install PyMuPDF4LLM. Once the installation is complete, we can import the package into our Python file. After importing, we'll write a few lines of code to load the PDF document and begin the extraction process. As you can see, the text from the PDF is extracted efficiently in a readable format, making it easy to work with and analyze in Python or by large language model. Tables are notoriously hard to extract from PDFs without losing their formatting. PyMuPDF4LLM handles this gracefully, ensuring that tables come out clean and ready to use. Here's a quick code example showing just how easy it is to extract tables. Tables often hold critical data, especially in technical documents. With this library, you can trust that these tables will be extracted accurately, perfectly formatted, and ready for downstream analysis in just 2 lines of code. Extracting images along with text is often overlooked, but incredibly important, especially for documents containing figures, diagrams, or charts. This library handles it seamlessly, making it ideal for technical documents or reports packed with visual data. The quality of the extracted images is impressive, even for high-resolution visuals. Here's a simple code example showing how effortlessly it extracts an image in one go and saves it directly into a folder. From there, the images can be read via OCR, allowing you to combine the extracted text together. Sometimes, you need more control over the text you extract, especially for tasks like sentiment analysis or text generation that require precise word-level data. This is the output of our word-level text extraction. Each word in the document is accompanied by its precise coordinates, allowing us to see exactly where it's located on the page. For example, the first entry, in, has coordinates that define its position and size, making it possible to reassemble text exactly as it appears in the original layout. Each tuple includes details like the X and Y coordinates, the word itself, and additional information to keep track of its sequence. This level of detail is incredibly useful for advanced NLP tasks, as it preserves word positioning, context, and structure, all crucial for analysis that depends on the spatial arrangement of text. After using PyMuPDF4LLM extensively across multiple projects, I can confidently say it's hands down the most versatile and reliable PDF data extraction tool for LLM tasks. It's not just about getting the text or images. It's about getting everything you need in a format that large language models can seamlessly work with. So, whether you're building a retrieval-augmented generation system, fine-tuning an LLM, or just need a solid extraction tool for PDFs, give PyMuPDF4LLM a try. It's streamlined, efficient, and in my experience, it simply works.